Today is January 2nd day. Happy New Year. Okay, now we introduce to you is one automatic 1+1 inner ear loop edge sealing machine for the sugarless mask. Okay, we can show you finished sample. You can see inner ear loop, not in outside, and edge sealing. You can see it's very beautiful. It is separate packing. It is used for the doctor in the hospital, and very beautiful, very great. Okay, let's introduce our machine detail. Okay, we can check the finished sample. Inner ear loop, edge sealing, 3 pairs mask. It can separate packing. Okay. This is the ear loop welding machine, and this is mask body machine with the 3-piece correction device. Okay. You can see the feeding part. The whole feeding part is with the 3-layer material with the air roller. You can see. And with this device, so it can very stable, not move to head or back. You can see, very stable. And this is no spin plate. And every layer fabric, we use the sensor to test it have fabric or not. If without fabric, it will be rolling in the automatic to stop machine. It will help you to save a lot of fabric. This machine will use the 3-piece correction device. You can see. It is very easy to adjust the every layer fabric position. It can automatically make every layer fabric to this well. And they have a sensor. The green light is sensor. And you can see this folding part is different, and it is very easy. You no need to adjust. Just the fabric fitting here and automatic folding the right shape. And okay, this is no spin fitting parts, and this is no spin mouse. You can see all this no spin mouse is open, not closed. Not closed, so it can running very smooth here. And we can change the roller. This machine use the 6 roller. It use the two set ultrasonic. You can see this way and this way and this way. This is separate, so it is needed to set ultrasonic. And this mask body machine is easy to adjust. So because you just adjust this, turn left or turn right, it is very easy. And they have a sensor. They have a sensor to test mask, because this is machine is in the ear loop. So the mask must turn to other size. So you can see. This clip is automatic to change the mask size. And they have a sensor to test the mask. And you can see this 2-step is control the ear loop rotary part. It is different than normal mask, 3-player mask machine because it is in the earloop, so it is no need earloop folding machine. And this is the edge sealing part, so it is also used the ultrasonic. So this machine used the 4-piece ultrasonic to 20K 2000 watt. You can see. And you can see this part. Our all feeding. You can see this feeding part is used soft practice, not the metal. So it is can more quiet and not too noisy. Also, you can choose add this part or not. And this is mask output device. Okay, you finish sample. And you can see the edge part. So you can see the two mask connect like this. So you need the scissor to cut the edge. So you can see this is the blade, automatic cut, and a separator mask. So they also have a waste edge. They can output in the carton. And this machine no need air cycling. No need air cycling. This is automatic electric by step motor and swirl motor. This earloop welding machine uses the 2-piece swirl motor and the 11-piece step motor. And this mask machine uses the 1-piece swirl motor and the 2-piece ultrasonic. 迅捷 swirl motor. And the mask boarding machine is 20K 2600 watt to ultrasonic. And we use a lot of fan to make the ultrasonic parts get cooler more quickly. The swirl motor is two-piece, so this swirl motor is control the edge parts up and down, and the other is step motor. You can see a lot of 11-piece step motor, and this is swirl motor to control the earloop parts up and down. Okay, we can check our earloop welding parts electric box. 2-piece 迅捷 swirl motor and 11 step motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the PLC. Every cable with the mark tube, so you can easy to find which machine have what. When machine have problem, you can easy to find which cable need to change or to check. It is very easy. Okay, you can see that this our machine whole picture. Very nice and a very good design. This is the edge mask edge material, edge belt. You can see, and the earloop. You can see we have a very good design to make sure the earloop very can work smooth because they have this part. And this plate is put put a roller of edge on this plate out here. And this machine speed is 100 to 110 pieces in 1 minute. Okay, you can see